Now, on Friday, Rob,
Yes.
we like to say hello to some people, don't we?
Of course we do. And this week is a big hello to the hundreds of people still affected by the flooding in the wake of Storm Dennis.
Yes, in particular, all the regulars at the Royal Hill pub in Shrewsbury. Now, we featured the pub earlier in the week and found out that the landlord, John, uses his flood bus, which is genius, to get the regulars to the pub when the waters rise.
It's unbelievable, isn't it? But this week, the pub's been closed, so he's been using the bus to get people to work instead.
Very nice of him. Good news, though, because the pub has reopened today and everyone is there watching the One Show as we speak. Let's give him a big hello.
Hello, everyone at the pub. I hope you're enjoying the show.